So today, we're going to dive into the story of an institution that was built on a 19th century educational movement, but has grown into a modern powerhouse for engineering and technology in Pakistan. We're talking about Sir Syed University of Engineering and Technology, or SSUET. Let's get right into it.
And you know, there's really no better place to start than with the university's motto. This powerful idea that education is all about discovering what we didn't know before is the guiding light for this entire institution. It really sets the stage for everything SSUET is about.
Okay, so to really get what SUET is all about today, we've got to jump back in time. The university's whole identity is wrapped up in this incredible movement for social and educational reform, and it all kicked off with one visionary leader. You could pretty much draw a straight line through history here. It all starts in the mid-1800s with Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's Aligarh movement, which was all about using modern education to drive progress. After independence, that fire was carried into Pakistan by the Aligarh Muslim University Old Boys Association, and that mission led directly to the founding of SSUET in 1993, which got its official charter just 2 years later. It's truly a legacy in action. So, that's the backstory. But what does that legacy actually look like today, in the 21st century? Let's take a look at how they've built on that incredible historical foundation. Well, today, SUET is a private research university located right in the bustling urban heart of Karachi. It's a major player in Pakistan's higher education scene, carrying that historical mission forward in a totally modern way. And look, it's not just about having a cool origin story. We're talking about serious quality. The Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, that's the HEC, actually ranks SSUET as number 12 in the entire country for engineering. That's a huge deal and says a lot about its academic reputation in a really tough field.
And that reputation? Well, it's backed up by some pretty serious names. The university is recognized by key bodies right at home, like the Pakistan Engineering Council and the HEC. But it's also recognized on the world stage through memberships in the Association of Commonwealth Universities and the International Association of Universities.
All right, so we've got the history, we've got the credibility, but let's get to the heart of it. If you're a student, what can you actually study there?
The academics are organized into 4 main areas, or faculties. You've got electrical and computer engineering, computing and applied sciences, civil engineering, and architecture. And they even branch out into business, management, and social sciences. So, they're not just building engineers, they're building well-rounded leaders. Let's dig in a bit. The Faculty of Electrical and Computer Engineering is packed with Bachelor of Science degrees in super relevant fields like biomedical, computer, and electrical engineering. And hey, if you want to take your studies further, they've got master's and PhD programs too.
Now, over in the Faculty of Computing and Applied Sciences, it's all about the digital age. You can get degrees in everything from bioinformatics and computer science to software engineering and even mathematics. And just like before, master's programs are available for those who want to go deeper.
What if you're someone who wants to literally build the world around us? Well, the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Architecture is for you. They offer degrees in both architecture and civil engineering with a clear path to a master's degree as well. And to round it all out, the university offers a solid business education with its Bachelor and Master of Business Administration programs. It just goes to show they're committed to developing leaders in all sorts of fields, not just engineering.
But you know, university is way more than just what happens in the classroom, right? A huge part of the experience is the campus life and the community. So what's that like at SSUET?
If you're into sports, there's a fantastic mix of things to do. You've got your indoor games like table tennis and badminton, but then a whole range of outdoor sports like cricket, basketball, soccer. They've even got an athletic track. And it's not all sports. The campus is buzzing with other activities. There are regular musical events, a forum for literary, art, and cultural stuff, and really active student societies. For example, they have a student branch of the IEEE. That's the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, which is huge for professional development. So, when you put it all together, the history, the tough academics, the vibrant student life, what's it all for? It's about getting students ready for what comes next. Let's look at how SSUET helps launch its graduates into their careers and what the big vision is for the university's future. The university has a dedicated career planning and placement bureau that helps students in 4 key ways. It starts with just figuring things out through counseling. Then, they help you land valuable internships, bring potential employers right to campus, and even help you connect on research projects. It's a whole system designed to help you make that big leap into the professional world. And does that support actually pay off? You bet. The university's alumni include really influential people, like Sajid Ahmed, who is a member of Pakistan's National Assembly. That's a powerful, real-world example of the kind of leaders SSUET helps create. But here's the thing. SSUET isn't just resting on its laurels. It is looking way ahead. And that future vision starts with a huge number, 200 acres. That signals a massive expansion and a bold new chapter.
So what's the deal with those 200 acres? Well, that's for a brand new, state-of-the-art campus plan for Education City in Karachi. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a game-changing investment in the future, designed to educate the next generation of leaders.
So that leaves us with this final thought. You have an institution that started with a 19th century mission, evolved into a top-tier modern university, and now has these massive plans for the future. The real question is, how will that unique blend of legacy and ambition shape the next generation of engineers, leaders, and innovators?